Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GHSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, but it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some areas of support and resistance. Now, from just looking at it today in and of itself, a rough close, and I say that because the final portion of the day, the price actually broke down through that, trend line. So for the majority of the day, the price had just been doing a great job of, kind of just slowly working its way upwards, slowly working its way upwards by staying up above that orange uptrending trend line. However, then the final hour of the day happened, and you can see the price has now broken down below the trend line. Now, does that mean that this is guaranteed to just go right back to where it started, down around the 20-cent mark? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. However, that's definitely a sign that, maybe this upwards move has now run out of steam, and that this thing is going to need a little bit more of consolidation, or this very well may just be the beginning of a total rollback over. But so again, just because it's broken through that level, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that because it's broken down through there, it's for sure going down to 20 cents. But that is kind of a red flag in the sense of the trend that was going has now been violated. So I'm just going to get rid of that because I wanted to illustrate that one point. From that angle. As far as levels of support are concerned now going forward, ideally speaking, you want to see the price hold up above that 22-cent mark. If the price were to drop down below 22 cents and then just continue on down, at that point, that would be putting the price right back to where it was at its low points. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas if the price does go down to this area, however, in this situation behaves like this and then starts to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what, a sign of a truly strong move is going to do. So definitely keep a close eye on that level. Very, very important. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, right up around the 28-cent mark is going to be that key level. But as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily about breaking levels of resistance. It's more so about trying to go through a healthy consolidation and then work on building and breaking due to those new highs. But right now, just build a healthy consolidation would be the top priority in my mind. So we'll see if the bulls can do it or not. But yeah, that trend line break looking a little bit shaky, but we'll see if the bulls can kind of just ignore that or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.